Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making New York style cheesecake. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need graham crackers, cream cheese, sour cream, heavy whipping cream, butter, eggs, lemon, salt, sugar, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Begin by crushing 2 packs of graham crackers. You can use the Ziploc method or a blender for a finer consistency. Place the graham crackers in a bowl. Add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix until well combined. Grease a 9-inch springform pan. Add parchment paper to the bottom of the pan. Add graham crackers and tightly press down into the pan to form a crust. Bake at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Now we're going to make the filling. In a large bowl, combine 4 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 1½ cups of sugar, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. Scrape the edges to make sure everything is combined. Whisk 4 large eggs and add it to the filling. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Add a ½ cup of heavy whipping cream. Add 1 cup of sour cream. Add a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix until just combined. Once again, be careful not to overmix. Sift 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into the filling and mix until just combined. Layer 2 sheets of foil paper and wrap around your pan. This will prevent water from getting into the cheesecake. Pour in the cheesecake filling and lightly tap to smooth out the top and get rid of the air bubbles. Fill a roasting pan with 1 to 2 inches of hot water. Place the cheesecake in the roasting pan. Bake at 325 degrees for 80 minutes. After baking, remove the cheesecake from the roasting pan and allow it to cool at room temperature for 2 hours. After 2 hours, cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. The next day, remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. And there you have it, New York style cheesecake. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.